Hi my dear children, in today's maths class we are going to see exercise 14.1. The first two sums we have solved already. Now we are going to solve third sum, factorize. So it is given ax plus bx minus ay minus by. So before going to factorize this, we should write what are all the factors as we did for the previous sum. So write the first term ax. What are all the factors? A into x. What is the next term? Bx. What are the factors? B into x. Next term minus ay. So if it is having a minus, write it as minus 1 into a into y. Next term is minus by. So it should be written as minus 1 into b into y. Now there are four terms. There is no common factor. See, a is present here but which is not present in this two terms. So there is no common term for all these four terms. So what are we going to do is, we are going to group these terms into two terms so that we can pick a common factor out. So just consider this first and third one. We can find a as common, right? So I'm going to group this first and third one. Here what is the common factor? A. What is the remaining factor here? Let me take this common factor out. Okay va? First of all you should write the factors for individual terms, then we are going to group. According to that we will find a common factor. So first and third term group பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு ஏங்கற factor காமனா இருக்கு. So அந்த ஏங்கற common factor எடுத்துட்டேன். So what is remaining here? X. bracketல எழுதணும் அத. ஏனா common factors தான் வெளியில இருக்கணும். bracketல போட்டுட்டு தான் remaining இருக்கிற factors எழுதுவோம். அதே மாதிரி தான். common factor வெளிய எழுதிட்டு bracket open பண்ணி x எழுதியாச்சு. இதுல remaining. இதுல remaining என்ன இருக்கு? a எடுத்தது போக minus 1 into y. So that is minus y. Now plus, just now we found out factorization for this two terms only. Four terms கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. four termsக்கு காமனா நமக்கு எந்த ஃபேக்டருமே இல்ல. அதனால ரெண்டு ஃபேக்டரா நான் குரூப் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ரெண்டு டேர்மா first and third term group பண்ணி இந்த factorization கிடைச்சிருக்கு. Now second and fourth term I am going to group. Now in this grouping what is the common term? Sorry, common factor? B is the common factor. Let me write B. Now what is the remaining factor in this term? X. Bracket open பண்ணிட்டு x. இங்க b எடுத்தாச்சு. What is remaining? Minus 1 into y, which is minus y. Now this is the factorization for first and third term. This is the factorization for second and fourth term. But இந்த நாலு டேர்முமே சேர்ந்து தான் நமக்கு இருக்கு. ஸோ இதை எப்படி எழுதிக்கலாம்? ax plus bx minus ay minus by. ஸோ இதோட ஃபேக்டரைசேஷன் நமக்கு எப்படி கிடைச்சிருக்கு? a into x minus y plus b into x minus y. ஏன்னா ரெண்டு டேர்முக்குள்ளது இந்த ஃபேக்டரைசேஷன், இன்னொரு ரெண்டு டேர்முக்குள்ளது இந்த ஃபேக்டரைசேஷன். Now here x minus y is common, right? ஸோ அந்த காமன் ஃபேக்டரை ஃபஸ்ட் எழுதிக்கோங்க, x minus y. அது விட்டுட்டா ரிமைனிங் என்ன இருக்குது? இங்கே a இருக்கா? plus b. Now this is your final factorization answer. If you multiply this, you will get this expression. You may check your answers like that. So if multiply பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா என்ன வந்துரும்? first ax வருமா? next x வச்சு இந்த term multiply பண்ணுவீங்க. இதெல்லாம் படிச்சிருக்கோம். So ax plus bx minus ay minus by. Check, you got this expression, right? So our answer is right. Once you got your answers, you may check in this way. Okay children.